Low carb chicken parm. Chicken parmesan. Chicken parm. The recipe for this is below in the comments section. I'm using chicken breast today, but you can use skinless thighs, and we had some really good boneless pork, and you just want to pound it out nice and thin, probably about 1/4 inch thick. And you can see I've already pounded that out. So we're going to start off with some onion salt, just like 1/4 teaspoon. Some garlic salt. I've been cooking this for, 25 years now, so I'm just sharing it with you now. Got some oregano, 1/2 teaspoon. Some fresh cracked pepper. And I'm using carbalose flour, 2 tablespoons, 1/8 of a cup of carbalose flour. If you haven't tried it, you should try it. You can use almond flour if you like. It's not the same. Just going to mix it up with my fingers like this. And I'm going to put that onto a nice clean plate. I'm going to be cooking on my outdoor oven, a grill, and I'm very clean in there, and I've got heat on this side, and nothing in the center. I'm going preheating to 350 degrees, and it's just coming up to temperature now. I'm just going to set this off to the side. I'm going to take a couple of eggs, and I'm just going to beat them up. There, I'll just set that off to the side. Now in the same bowl that we just mixed the seasonings up in, I'm going to put in some pork rinds. And these are crushed pork rinds. And I've got some freshly grated Parmesan cheese. And I'm going to put that in. This is what's going to give it a really nice crust. I'll just mix that up. So I'll set up our little dipping station. What we're going to do is we're going to take these pounded breasts. Veal's very good too. And I'm just going to put it right into this flour mixture like that. Then into the egg mixture. So the flour makes it stick. And then we're going to go directly into this pork mixture. Oh man, I love this way of doing this. And we're just going to coat both sides like that. Just pack it in. It'll stick. And I'm just going to reserve this on a plate. Just like that, while the oil heats up. So this one into the flour. My temperature's good. Now I'm going to start up the induction burner. I'm going to go with like a medium high heat. This won't take long to heat up. My oil of choice for frying is always refined coconut oil. It has a really good burn point, puts a beautiful crust on anything that you're frying, and it's healthy and it doesn't taste like coconut. So I'm just going to put a couple tablespoons in there, like that. When it starts to shimmer, that's when we'll put it in. Okay, my oil's starting to shimmer here, so I'm going to take my pounded chicken breast that's covered with this great seasoning and cheese and pork rinds. I'm just going to put it right in, and we're going to give it a nice fry. Go to a nice golden brown. Get all the little goodies on there. Okay, that's about 3 minutes. I'm going to give it a flip. Yep, look, that looks really good, nice and golden brown. I'm using a little flipper called a pigtail. There we go. Oh, that looks really good. That's perfect. And it's the Parmesan cheese that gives it that golden brown. And it's nice and crispy. I don't know if you can hear that as I scrape across that, but it's the pork rinds and Parmesan cheese. So we're just trying to get another golden brown side. We're not cooking this all the way through. We're just trying to get a nice golden crust on the outside. Doesn't matter if it's a little bit raw on the inside, because we're going to cook on the grill or the oven for another 20-25 minutes. So this will just take another couple of minutes. Okay, looking at that, that's really good. I like that a lot. I've got a beautiful color on both sides. So I'm just going to turn this off. I'm going to take a casserole dish, and I've got some pure and simple coconut cooking spray. I'm just going to spray the bottom of it's like a cake pan or a casserole dish. Just spray that so it doesn't stick. I'm going to take these out and lay them in. You can see that side too. Doesn't that look good? This is my Real Italian pizza sauce. And if you haven't made this or checked it out, you should check it out. So this is a half cup. I'm just going to pour some on the top like this. It's a healthy sauce with no preservatives. So when we go with that. And now I've got some freshly grated mozzarella cheese. What makes things better? Mozzarella cheese. I'm just going to put that on the top, sprinkle that evenly. I highly recommend doubling this recipe and making some for leftovers. There we go. There's an extra cheesy one. Okay, now we're going to take this, and we're going to put it in. Yep, 350 degrees. We're going to put this in indirect, heat on this side, heat on that side, nothing in the center. I'm going to put it on the top shelf or in the oven if you like. And I'm going to go for 20 minutes. Well, it's been 20 minutes, and this looks fantastic. Yeah. Look at that. It smells great. Chicken parm, veal parm, pork parm. I think I'm going to serve this with some cauliflower potato salad. There's no potatoes in it, but it actually tastes like real potato salad. It's got all the flavors and everything. This is packed full of flavor right now with the my Real Italian pizza sauce in there. There's my chicken parm. This is a keeper, but you have to double the recipe because you want to have some for leftovers. Chicken parm. Thanks for watching.